Hey chemistry students, here is a chance to do a little bit of limiting an excess reagent with some pretty common stuff you've probably heard of: baking soda, vinegar. This vinegar is 5% acidity. I'll kind of hint on what we're going to do with this, but first things first, I got a piece of paper. What is the balance reaction for baking soda and vinegar? Probably just Google that. That'd be easy enough. I'm going to start with a certain amount of grams of baking soda and a certain amount of grams, because I don't have any graduated cylinders to do milliliters, so I'll do grams of vinegar. I want you to figure out what's the limiting reactant, what's the excess reactant, and then how much, one of the products is going to be carbon dioxide gas, how much carbon dioxide can I make in grams? If you really want a challenge, you could figure out how many milliliters of gas that would be. And if you really want a challenge, you could even figure out exactly how, this is a hint ahead, exactly how much vinegar and baking soda to put into a Ziploc to perfectly inflate it. More of that later. So what do I got? I got a scale. This is my kitchen scale, but it does have grams. I get to cheat because I'm the only one using the scale. I can hit the tare button, which is like the 0 button. So how much baking soda? We'll start with 14 grams. Repeat for the vinegar. Pretend the bowl doesn't weigh anything. How many grams? $70 grams. Keep this in mind. Like I mentioned before, this is only 5% acidity. So only 5% of that 70 grams, you can do that, is actually the acetic acid that you'll find when you have that balanced equation. So we're not using 70 grams of the acid. We're only using, well, 5% of 70. So you know the routine. If you add baking soda to vinegar, yep, you get a fizzy mess. What's it making? You can Google that and look that up. One of the products is carbon dioxide gas. How many grams of carbon dioxide gas did I make? And which thing limited me? The baking soda or the vinegar? Good luck.